Good morning dear students. I hope you all are good. As you know, in last videos we started chapter 5 India, the land of contrast. In that we discussed about the physiographic divisions of India and we learned the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert. Today we will discuss about the peninsular plateau. So first of all, what is plateau? Plateau is an elevated land which is flat on the top. We call it as a table land. A peninsula, what is the peninsula? So peninsula is a piece of land which is covered with the water on three sides. You can easily see in the picture, it is showing in the map of the India. There is a peninsula. It is covered with the water on three sides, that is Arabian Sea on the west, Bay of Bengal on the east and Indian Ocean towards the south. So, if we look at it, India is a peninsula. The peninsular southern part of India is a plateau. So, it is called a Deccan Plateau. And here the land is rocky and uneven, and you know many rivers flow through this region like Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Mahanadi. To the west of the Deccan Plateau there is Western Ghat and towards the east is the Eastern Ghat, and these mountain ranges are not as high as the Himalayas. Okay, then the coastal plains. So as we have studied before about the coast, so the place where the land meets the sea is the coast. To the east of India lies the Bay of Bengal, and you know between the Eastern Ghat and the Bay of Bengal there is a strip of flat land which forms the eastern coastal plains. Like this, towards the west of India there is Arabian Sea, and the narrow stretch of lowland between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea forms the western coastal plains. Okay, so there are basically two coastal plains, that is eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. And here the temperature is moderate, that is neither too hot nor too cold. Now we will talk about the islands. So what is the island? Island is a piece of land which is surrounded by water on all sides. India is having two groups of islands, that is Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So Lakshadweep Island is in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman and Nicobar Island is in the Bay of Bengal. Okay. So students, here we are completing our chapter. You read the chapter very carefully, then you will come to know many things about our India, the physiographic divisions of India. Okay, till then, goodbye and have a nice day.